Hello everyone, first set up the Sophos Firewall to block the IP on my PC. Then, wait to see if the PC can ping the firewall. Then, open a browser and try to access the default IP, 172.16.16.16 to 4444. Checked option I accept the Sophos end user terms of use. Set the admin password, at least 10 characters. Set master key for encrypts and secures sensitive configuration data. Set time zone for getting correct information from the logging and reporting systems. I do not want to register this firewall now. Basic setup complete, we active license later. Set management IP for managed firewall. LAN network configuration and remove DHCP. Enable all network protection. Set email address for automatic mail sent for backup. Configure file. Click to finish configure. Need to wait 5 minutes applying configuration changes. After that restart the device, it's take maximum 10 minutes. When start the device then getting interface up and ping. Relogging the firewall using admin user and password. Okay, this is Sophos Firewall dashboard. Now set WAN interface and IP for accessing internet. Set IP and gateway. Now we are update firmware, go to backup and firmware tab. In firmware tab click check for new firmware. Then show the new firmware version list, after that download new latest firmware. Downloading new firmware it's take few minutes. After downloaded firmware then show install option we click the install options. Starting the update firmware process step by steps, it's take few minutes. When update complete firmware update then take reboot. After reboot, relogging the firewall and check the new firmware version. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below, I'd love to help. See you in the next video.